Hi everyone, welcome to Scent Switching. This is going to be a review of a gorgeous fragrance in a gorgeous bottle. So let's start. So lately, many people have loved this fragrance and I have been compelled to make a review of it. It was down the line, but I had to push it up the queue because it deserved to be. So we are going to today talk about one of the most gorgeous bottles in my collection. That's reason one, and I'll show you. And also that this scent is absolutely class apart. So I am talking about Kalahari by Noam Paris. You can see it is a beautiful box, white with almost a fabric kind of a finish here. The logo is gold stamped upon the box and the name here. This is all done very nicely. Exquisite work on the outside and even better on the inside. Look at that. This is remarkable. I know many people must have seen this bottle for the first time. But I would like to tell you that I loved the presentation so much when I first received the bottle that I had to make a video focusing only on the presentation of this. What these symbols mean and why the cap looks like this. It's all detailed out on a specially done video, which I will leave the link in the description for. It is an Instagram video. So IGTV video, I will leave the link. Talking about another reason that I said the bottle is just beautiful, look at that. So this is not light. Visually might look like it, but this is a heavy bottle. This is a crystal bottle and it has a metallic cap on top. The details are just amazing. So there is an inscription here that says fantasy is more important than knowledge. Now that is some food for thought. And this cap is done very well. It's sitting in a collection. This bottle will be noticed from a distance, and I love how these proportions are. I love the extra glass in the bottom. This is amazing presentation, and you can see that I put a massive dent in the juice as well. So I'm about 30 ml down on this 100 ml bottle. I have worn this a lot. I have sent many samples to my near ones to experience this unique scent. So without any further ado, let's start with the scent. Now I've worn this scent enough to know what it does in the dry down. So I'm gonna spray it and we're gonna talk about how it starts as well. Now, this is a spicy, resinous fragrance with a woody background. The opening notes here are saffron and cardamom. So you get a slightly sharp spiciness of the saffron, which is of course very well rounded, and it is given a certain sweetness in the beginning due to the cardamom, and there is a certain soothing effect that comes from that as well. Now the mid and the base are composed of a bit more, you can say, density. There is an ambrette note here, which is also a musk mallow, which adds to that musky character in the back. Then there is labdanum, there is cedarwood, there is incense cashmeran, and there is a white musk as well. And all this gives this scent a very nice volume. It just is beautiful. It will create a scent cloud around you, which is not just captivating to the people, but you will always remain in a certain trance of this beauty. So the labdanum here is, whoa. So the labdanum here is not as animalic and waxy as you would find in labdanum rich fragrances. This focuses more on the resinous aspect of the labdanum. The ambrette adds a peppery spiciness to it, a certain, you can say, sting to the nose thanks to that. Now, the cedar wood gives it a good woody back, but it remains in the background. It is not trying to overpower the scent in any way. It's like the cedar wood is like, you know what, I'm gonna stay back, I'm gonna chill, you know, you do your thing. It's telling the other notes. And what I get is that the incense in the back is, again, it is not that smoky. It is more of a resinous incense. Again, this is a very good balsamic ambery fragrance with a, you can say, a warm spicy front. Now the cashmeran does another very good job of giving a softness to the fragrance. My god, this is so very well done. The scent character here is very sophisticated, very gentle. This is not a reckless person. This is a very well calculated, stable kind of a person who goes for this fragrance. I'm telling you, this will not create a scent cloud which is too big. Let's say if you're wearing a fragrance which is very heavy in its projection, and for the sake of comparison, it reaches a 10 feet distance in about 5 seconds, right? This fragrance, Kalahari, will take its time. It is going to take about 15 to 20 seconds to cover the same distance, but it will make its presence felt. Definitely. It will always have whiffs coming to you. You will feel very good wearing this fragrance, but don't expect massive projection from it. It gives you about an arm's length distance projection, which is very good. And it is not something which is piercing to the nose. No. It creates a very comforting aura around you. It's too good. The spiciness, the musks, very easy to wear. Now, to wear this fragrance, I would choose something like an office meeting or a formal setting, a date even for that matter, since this is a mature fragrance. By mature, I don't mean that it is 60 plus. I mean that it is for someone anyone, even a younger person can carry this, but only a person with good taste will do that. This is that kind of a fragrance and worth every penny. The quality of the juice, the quality of the ingredients reflects in the blending here. The perfumer of this one is Majda Bekali, and exceptionally well blended fragrance. Also, the owner, Mr. Yasin Karim, he has a lot of experience in the fragrance industry in terms of curating ingredients, and that reflects in this juice. And not just in this juice, you can feel that in Atitlan, you can feel that in Devanpart, Nykaa, and there is one more fragrance from this house which I really love, that is Abyss. So we'll be doing those reviews as well, but this was one fragrance which is picking up the hype. So, and many people have been coming to me asking, what is the scent profile of this fragrance, and should we get it or shouldn't we get it? So I decided that I have to make a video of it right away. And yes, to my good fortune, this is India's first review of this fragrance, and I feel very humbled that I have been given this honor. I'm very happy that people have trusted my nose to describe this fragrance, and I love it. I absolutely love it, and the people who got it, bought it. I sent some samples across to my new ones, as I said, and they ended up buying a bottle. So this bottle is picking up the hype. It definitely deserves the hype because very classy, as I said, very sophisticated, very gentle fragrance. Yeah, so that is my review of Kalahari. That is just beautiful. So I wanted to announce once again that I am on Fragrantica. You can look me up, or I will leave the link in the description for that as well. So there are 3 categories there: fragrances I have, fragrances I want, and fragrances I had. So even the last 2 categories, I don't have the fragrances physically with me. I have worn them enough to understand their scent profile. So if you want to know about any fragrance, please go through that list. You can ask me anything about it. I will definitely try to clear your queries. And if there is a fragrance that I have listed as I have, please don't be under the impression that I have all those full bottles. No, I get samples, I get decants. I cannot afford all those full bottles. you can ask me about any of those fragrances. If I have a review of it, I will guide you to it. If I don't have a review of it, I'll spray the fragrance. I don't mind. I'll let you know how I feel about it. So you can go through them and you can let me know in the comments if there is any other fragrance that I haven't talked about and you want my opinion on it. I would love to do it. So there are more reviews coming. Please stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for always supporting me. Also, the video of Kalahari's presentation detail is on Instagram. I will leave that link as well, so you can check it out. You can connect with me on Instagram as well. There are written reviews of fragrances that I keep posting every day on Instagram, and I also announce whatever the new stuff that I'm getting. So if you want to know about the fragrance and I have said that I have it, please let me know. I'll be happy to talk about it. And I think that's about it for today, and I will be back soon with another video. Till then, again, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. The numbers help me, and I will be back with another video very soon. Thank you so much.